In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a circular crop effect in CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is just drag your video footage over to the timeline, and with your video footage selected, we're going to click on the video tab in the top navigation and select mask. Click on add mask and then select circle. Now you can go in reposition and also resize this mask, and once you're happy with the position of this, we can click back on the basic tab, scroll all the way down to the bottom and make sure canvas is turned on and enabled, then click on the drop down arrow and select color. Now we can select the color for the border of this circle. So I'm just going to select a white color like so. Then right click on your video footage and click on create compound clip. Now click back on video in the top navigation and select mask once again. Click on add mask and select circle. Now just like before, go in reposition and also resize this crop effect. Now we want to resize it so we have a slight border going around the video footage. Now click back on the basic tab and you'll be able to reposition and remove this on the page. If you want to add a background to this video footage, then you can move this video clip onto the layer above and just go and add some background video to the layer below this. And just like that, if I go and play that back, we now have this video in a circular crop shape. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.